What up, YouTube? It's your boy Racket Buff 900 back with another video. I'm steak. See that? It's your boy Spider Buff. Stop. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Spider Rider Buff back with another video. I'm so used to having the Riker. There's been changes, but it has been changed. Same channel, different name. You know, I don't have the Riker no more. I got the 2023 Am Spyder RT limit. So I gotta get used to saying that name. Spider Rider Buff. No more Riker 900. Riker Buff 900. Riker Buff is gone. Nightcrawler is gone, The Riker's gone. Spider's in. Same channel. Same thing. Installs. Ride outs. Trying to go further this time. So yeah, I already know what it is. So if you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you've been here, thank you. I appreciate you. Like, share, subscribe. Subscribe, share with your family and friends. You know, I appreciate it very much. Trying to get this monetization going. But for right now, I got a full-size brake pedal from Showchrome. I bought it from Fling Mods for the Am Spyder. Because that pedal is real small. I'm going to show it to you. It was just like the same thing on the Riker. That pedal's small. Your feet here, it's hard to get to it. But I'm going to show it to you so y'all see how small that pedal is. So if you look right here, that's the stock pedal. But see, this bigger one is a full size. How much more to cover? That'd be easier to stop too. So we're gonna do a tutorial install on that. I'm gonna put y'all right here while I get this going. Like I said, nothing changed. Still doing. I'm not gonna do as much like I did on the other bike, but I'm gonna do enough. This is thick metal. I'm assuming you use the same screws. It's a solid and it's much wider. Big difference. Big difference. I see it, right? Look good, right? Check that. Need that. You don't need nothing else. You need that brake pedal. I meant to do a video on a Can-Am, official Can-Am backrest, driver backrest. I put this on. It came the other day. I was so excited. I just threw it on, forgot to do a video on it. But all you do is lift your seat up. On here's two tabs. Push them tabs in. Push this back down. Pull this right out. Comes with a little kit. Then you mount, and then you put this in. There's two adjustments you got here, and it comes a little higher. But now my wife get on, flip it down, flip it up. Also has a screw right here, Allen head. You turn it, adjust the back. See how it's sticking forward, or it can come backward this way also. So I adjusted it to my liking. So there we have it. Okay. Also, I just purchased here. I put it on last night. It's a Kimimoto key cover because there's no keyhole on this key. You know how many times I walked away and left my key in that bike? So this thing is thick and it's metal. So now I won't forget my key. And you can also take this button here. You press this button here, and that can come off. If you don't want the whole, I guess if you don't want the whole strap on your bike. But this is exactly what I needed. This is perfect, and it's heavy, so I like that. So we're gonna get it going, and I got a couple. We're gonna get this here going in. Let me get my tools. I think it's a 5mm. Well, socket. Oh, these things. I lost this cover, man. I gotta find this thing. These things keep coming all over the place. See? 7, 9. Okay, let me see what size socket. I said that. Gotta be a 10 or 11, right? More like gonna be a 10 or 11. 11 too big. see a 10 chick fit. All right, 10mm socket. There's just 2 bolts here. I can get to. Wasn't even tight either. I know they probably didn't want to over tighten it when they put it on. I don't know how much they have to put together when they put these bikes together, but I worry about that because sometimes you don't know who gonna put everything on right from these dealerships, or if somebody gonna put it on wrong just to put it together. I didn't notice anything loose when I got the bike, so I was glad about that. But I was skeptical. I told them, don't rush, take your time when they put it together. I waited a couple of days. Wasn't no rush. You know, it's still April. Wasn't in the season yet. Okay, so right there. Let me show you right quick. So that was easy. 2 bolts. Same setup. But you see the difference in the width. That's what matters. Big difference, man. And this one will fit right back in the same spot. And take it 2 bolts. You throw these joints right back up in here like this. I think this is the easiest install I ever did. This one's even easier than when I did it on the Ryker. I don't know how many people. I know people have done it, but I'm curious about the amount of people that upgraded. From a Spyder, from a Ryker to a Spyder. How many of y'all out there, how many of y'all that know somebody, excuse me, how many of y'all know somebody that had a Ryker, upgraded to a Spyder or to a big bike? It don't even have to be the RT, it could be the F3. I see a lot of people with those. Let me know in the comments how many of y'all had Rykers, upgrade to a Spyder, or have your Ryker, kept your Ryker, and still bought it and upgrade to a Spyder too. Let me know in the comments. I was gonna do it. I could have kept the other one, but I was like, when I'm gonna ride it? I got this now. I ain't gonna be riding that. Plus, I don't want to be maintaining 2 bikes. I didn't want that at all. I don't want to have that sitting there trying to maintain 2 bikes, putting money into 2 bikes. I tried to get my son to get it because he bought his bike the same day. No, he got his the day before mine. He bought his the day before me. Well, we purchased him the same day, but I didn't want to bring mine home yet because I didn't have a cover. He had a cover because I gave him my cover for my previous Suzuki Neki bike I had before I got the Ryker. So he was good. But I didn't want to bring my home without the cover. I had ordered a cover. It came like 2 days later, but they gave me time for them to finish doing this anyway. So once the cover came, I just went and picked it up. That's what I wanted to do like that. And like I said, I got the cover and that was beautiful. It was perfect. So I don't throw this away. I hold on to it. God forbid for any reason Something happened with that pedal, and I need this, so it's here. But there you go. New brake pedal. Let me sit on this bike. See how it feels. I know it feels much better. It has to feel much better. Move this stuff out my way. Got so much stuff down here. Good morning. How you doing? How you doing? Yeah. Yeah, close it. I'm not going out. Oh yeah, this feels much better. Now I gotta push my feet here. Yeah, it's a big difference. All right, y'all. So there you have it. Show chrome, full side brake pedal, Am Spyder RT Limited, and I also believe it's a Spyder F3. I bought it on Sling Mark, but I'm pretty sure Amazon and other places have it if you want it. I think it was wasn't much. I don't even remember exactly how much it was, but it wasn't much at all. It's your boy, Spyder Rider Buff. I'm out. Ride safe. See you on the next one. Peace.